So in this video we're going to be trying to find out what x equals, and right now x is the number of coins in each of the pouches. And the way we're going to start that is by making the pouches each by themselves. So we're going to do that by eliminating each of the coins one by one. But as you can see, the side on the left that is also equal to the side on the right has more coins than the side on the right, so we're going to have to eliminate some of those coins. So the way we're going to do that is by crossing them out. So there's 9 on this side. There's 10 on this side, and there's 9 on the other, so we can cross out 9 on each side, which will leave 2 bags and 1 coin on one of the sides, and 3 bags on the other side. And so now we can start by eliminating the bags, which will make it also easier. So we can cross those out also. And there's 1 bag remaining, as you can see. And that bag is equal to 1 coin, because now that we've eliminated equal numbers from each side, then that means that the only thing that remains is 1 coin and 1 bag. If you take away something on one side, you have to take it away on the other. So this is exactly what we did. So as you can see, there are 2 pouches gone from each side, and there are 9 coins gone from each side. And the only thing that remains in one side is a coin, and on the other side is a pouch. So that is how we must know that 1 pouch equals 1 coin. The next thing we're going to do in this problem is to make an equation that will represent the drawing above. And the way we're going to do that is by writing it out to start. So we have to count each of the things. And as we know, they're equal. But we don't know how many are in the pouches, right? So there's 2x, because we don't know how many are in the pouches. And there's 2 pouches on the first side. And then we can add plus 10, because there are 10 coins, as you can see, and that equals 9 plus 3x, as you can see above. And we know that for sure because there are 2 bags on one side and 3 bags on the other, and each of them we don't know how many they're in. Coins are in there, so that we have to put an x next to them because the number of coins in them is x. The next step we do to figure out the problem is to kind of figure it out by going down. So first thing we have to do is write the equal sign at the bottom. That'll make it easier. And we should eliminate some of the things like we did in the drawing above. So as you can see, and as I explained, there are 9 coins, so we do minus 9. And we can also do that on the other side, because you can't do one thing on the other and not do it on one side and not do it on the other, or else they won't be equal anymore. And then, like we said, you can also take away the 2 bags that are on one side, but you can't take away more than that, because there's 3 on one side and 2 on the other, but you can't take away 3 on both sides, or else it'll be -1, which will just get it more complicated. The next thing we have to do is to literally do the math for it. So now there's just 1 coin on one side, so 1, and that is equal to x, because as you see, we take away the 9 here, and we also have to take away 2 of the bags, and that just leaves 1x, and you don't have to write 1x, you can just write x. So the answer is 1x. 1 equals x, because as you've seen in the drawing above, and as you've seen in the equation that we did, that is the correct way to find it.